This is a 2-year-old gala apple tree. It is a dwarf tree, so I need to prune it so that will grow bigger. The general purpose of pruning apple tree is to regulate growth, increase yields, improve fruit size and quality, and maintain plant health and vigor. Pruning encourages good growth patterns and improves air circulation. Most pruning is done manually while apple tree is growing bigger. Maintaining the tree's structure helps to mitigate the risk of broken limbs and falling branches. A properly pruned tree will not have compromising branch structures and improper weight distribution that could lead to disaster later on in the tree's life. Properly pruning apple trees will maximize healthy fruit production. Pruning is also necessary to remove dead, diseased, and damaged wood, to increase light penetration, to heal wounds and reduce disease, to manage fruit load, and to maintain the shape and size of the tree. Yes, pruning makes trees stronger because it fosters proper growth, weight distribution, and balance of the crown. By increasing the structural integrity of the tree through pruning, it's less likely to experience disease, pests, broken limbs, and storm damage. There are several ways to head back a plant: pinching, tip pruning, and shearing.